Beep, beep, beep. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I got a directional bulb out of my 2008 Chevy Impala. Some people have commented that I don't do stuff for the novice. Some people don't even know how to change simple things like a directional light. There's no reason to bring it to a garage. You can do it yourself. I got the bulb at Napa. Their part number is BP3057LL-N. You can look these bulbs up online and you can go get them at Walmart or something. I just happened to stop at a Napa, and what I would have saved by going to Walmart, it wasn't worth it in gas. So I'm pissed off, man. Somebody stole my scan tool out of my fucking car the other day. I left it in the trunk, but I didn't lock the car, and they had the balls to go in the car, I believe, during the daytime. It's a good thing I didn't catch them. I would have been in jail for fucking seriously assaulting somebody. So, I don't know. There's shit bags out there. Be careful with your stuff. So, to get this tail light out, first thing you have to do is remove this trunk cover here. Some scumbag stole my scan tool out of the car. Fuckers. Good thing I didn't catch him. I'll wind up in jail. Fucking.
Did he ever tell you when David got his car stolen?
Yeah.
From the driver?
Yeah. I think they did it during the day too. I just went inside for a couple of hours. You know. Crazy. So first thing you're gonna have to do, this little screw here pokes through this cover. This is the fastener. It should be able to loosen it by hand, but if not, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Just twist that out. Then this fastener here, that's right here. It pokes through this carpeting or liner that is on the trunk. Then there's another one up in here. I gotta turn the light on for you to see that. This back skid plate cover just lifts off. Then you got to fold this back. There's another fastener up in there. You see it? I hope you can see it. Unscrew that one. There's a total of 3 fasteners holding the tail light in. Then the other one down here. Don't get them mixed up, because the one with the hooks on it goes on the inside one that pokes through that liner. That's for your net bag to hook on. So, very simple job to do, guys. After you loosen these fasteners, you're just going to pull the tail light out. It's going to be hard to do this with one hand. I believe I got them all. Let me make sure. Yep, I got them all. I got to lay the camera down. There it goes. You lift the tail light out. I don't know if you can see here. Tail light lifts right out. Then you just twist this and open it, and that's it. Bulb comes out. Put your new one in. 1, 2, 3. That's how to replace a directional bulb or a brake light, whichever one's out, on a Chevy Impala. You put this back in.
Try not to touch the bulb. I touched the bulb, which I shouldn't have done.
I gotta go get Windex and clean that bulb off my t-shirt. The oil from your skin will shorten the lifespan of the bulb, believe it or not.
The oil makes it get hotter, so I just wiped it off. That should be good enough. If it was a headlight, I would have cleaned it with window cleaner. So now you just put this back in. Lights right in place, and then tighten those fasteners up. Remember, the one with the hook goes on the end, so you can hook your bag up there. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys will give a like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what would make my videos better, I'm willing to hear it. I have an excellent program, video editing program called DaVinci Resolve Studio 17. That cost me several $100s, but I am trying to make better quality videos for you guys. So it was an investment to the channel for us. I hope you have been seeing improvements since I have been doing that. Better than just filming off of my phone, I'll tell you that. I should have had a tripod today for the camera, but this is not a convenient time for me to do this. I have a lot going on with other things, but I just figured I would put this information out there for somebody that might find it useful. But I hope to not knock the camera down with this now. This just slides over in place. You got to put it under that little flooring mat you have, or else it won't fit in place properly. Got crap in the trunk, which doesn't help. There we go. Got it underneath that floor plate there, and it pops in place. That's it, guys. And this little cap goes on here. That's how you replace a directional bulb. I'm going to make sure it's working. Go put my key in the ignition and turn it in the run position. Not start, just run. You don't have to start the car. I was tempted to replace both of them because if one goes, usually the other one's short behind. There we go. We got a directional now. That's a fix, guys. Take care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Take care of the ones you love. And take good care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe out there. We're living in a crazy world now. Anybody that's in their 50s or older know what I'm talking about. A lot has changed. Not everything is for the better. So it's funny, the filament doesn't even look broken in this. Huh. Why did that not work? The filament looks good on that bulb. Gotta be broken. Well, I'll test it. So take care, guys. See you soon. Any videos you'd like to see, give me suggestions and I'll try to make them for you. All right? Bye-bye. See you again soon. We got stuff to do on a Mercedes.